folks, this is Jean from Healing Outside the Box. Today we're making a nutritious nighttime snack. Now first, I chop plenty of red onion and about half of a sweet pepper. Now I always use cumin, but you can substitute whatever spice you'd like. You could go with a cumin with mixed curry spices or a Mexican cumin hot sauce. Now I drain and rinse a 15-ounce can of red beans and shred about 2 or 3 ounces of Monterey Jack or cheddar cheese. I don't add too many hot spices because it's a nighttime snack. A lot of cracked pepper or hot sauce can give you a little heartburn or reflux if you eat them late at night. So I would go with less spice for a nighttime snack and more spice for a potty dipping sauce. Now after you're done cooking the mixture, you can put it in a blender or hand mixer and process until smooth. You will need to add more liquid. Now in terms of the liquid, it's your choice. You can do hot sauce. I added sour cream, but you could also do vegetable broth or olive oil. And you can be generous with the olive oil because there's no fat coming from meat in this recipe, just the cheese. And you do want the mixture to be smooth. Once you're done processing, fix the thickness as needed. And enjoy.